Hi, I'm Mia, creator of Girlee bags and the founder of the Handmade CEO Academy. A few years ago, I was sitting at my dining room table that I used as my craft table. I had a Walmart sewing machine, fabric that I got from the clearance bin at Hobby Lobby, but I also had a big dream. I was excited, but I was scared. I was scared of messing up. I was scared that no one would buy anything from me, and just scared that I just wasn't ready. Then I read a book called Do It Scared by Ruth Sokup, and she said something that really stuck with me. Courage doesn't mean that we're not afraid, we just do it anyway. And that's what inspired the Handmade CEO Academy. Because I know so many women have the talent, but what they need most is just someone to push them past the fear, believe in themselves, and take action with a plan. This academy is your roadmap to go from sewing as a hobby to confidently selling your handmade products in just 30 days. The Handmade CEO Academy is a step-by-step online challenge. Inside, you'll learn how to set up your online shop, price confidently, and market yourself without feeling overwhelmed. And the best part is it's all designed to guide you step by step where you're never guessing or stuck. You'll list your first handmade item in 30 days, confidently and beautifully. You don't have to hustle alone or figure it out the hard way. I created this academy for women like you. Women with creativity and faith and the desire to build something meaningful. Let's turn your sewing skills into a business that blesses others and supports your family. And in 30 days, you'll be ready to sell your first product with the shop ready to welcome customers. So let's sew, sell, and grow together.